Alrighty, this is part of my HHO generator. This is the cap. This is the test cell, and I just want to go over it a little bit. There's a half-inch barb fitting here with the hose fit over it, 4 foot of hose, and on the inside I took and put a lock ring on it. Even though that it was threaded into the cap, I still felt comfortable, or actually better, about putting a lock ring in there, and that's from electrical box. And then I took hot glue and went around the lock ring, sealed it up. And then I drilled the 2 holes for my power leads, and those, and ran a bolt and a nut in there, and those are also threaded into the cap and bolted. These are stainless steel strips that I obtained from an old spatula, and I cut strips out of it and drilled a couple holes and used that for my to provide power for my cell and to hold it in place. And we'll go over here to my cell. I took my cell apart so you can see how I constructed it. The center holes there are drilled them out to fit these, and these are just toilet seat bolts you can get at any hardware store. They're nylon, non-conductive, and there's the nylon bolts that came with it. And I picked up these plastic compression fittings. They're about, I'd say, an 1/8 inch, and they're for plastic tubing, and yeah, they're pretty cheap, but they work out great for the spacing that I need. But this is say my negative plate, this is my positive, or my neutral plate here, and this would be my positive plate. Now, right here, I insulated this bolt with air hose from fish aquarium air hose. I just cut a little piece off and threaded it on there and got it down there, and that insulates this from coming in contact with my neutral or my oppositely charged plate. Works out pretty well. And everything's stainless steel. I got 4 stainless steel nuts, and that holds it to these strips right here. I put 1 nut on each side, and it holds it in place. Doesn't move or anything. So I like that. But let's do. We're going to construct my cell, put it back together, and take one of these. I'm cameraman and builder right now, so please forgive me. But no, we just take a nylon bolt and slip that over, just like that. And we'll take one of these, and I put the thick end up to hold the neutral plate, because these here got the outer plates pretty well secured, but on these little compression deals, one side's thinner than the other. So put this there. I'm sure this would be easier with 2 hands, but I think we can manage. put another one there. That gives us our spacing. And our neutral plate slips over that. Just like that. A couple more spacers. And my other plate. Watch this. Goes like this. Okay, I'm going to need both hands. And that's how that fits together. And we just take and put these on. Get them nice and tight. Nice and tight and stiff. Gapping is fairly even. And that's how I put my cell together. Now we take just like that. And those get attached to that. Come back in the next video, and actually I'll probably just, yeah, there'll be another video, because YouTube will only allow us 10 minutes. So when we come back, we'll have the cell attached to the lid.